Welcome to Solothurn, the city of ambassadors, where Swiss-German stability meets French charm and Italian grandeur. Its story begins over 2 millennia ago, with a Celtic settlement named Solothurn, the Water Gate. Around 20 AD, the Romans established a strategic stronghold here, later fortifying it into a formidable castrum. The echoes of this ancient past can still be seen in the foundations of the old town. By the early Middle Ages, Solothurn had become a center of faith, venerating its patron saints, Ursus and Victor. A pilgrimage church rose over the grave of Saint Ursus, a site now graced by the magnificent St. Ursus Cathedral, a masterpiece of Swiss neoclassicism. The city's destiny intertwined with the Swiss Confederacy in 1481. Alliance with France brought wealth and influence, as Solothurn became the residence of the French ambassador for nearly 3 centuries. This era of prosperity is etched into the city's very fabric, with opulent Baroque palaces and townhouses lining its streets. Wander through Solothurn, and you'll discover a city where history breathes. Marvel at the 13th century clock tower, the historic arsenal housing Switzerland's finest collection of armor, and the beautifully preserved medieval gates and fortifications that once protected this proud city. From its Roman roots to its Baroque splendor, Solothurn is a living museum, a testament to a rich and layered history waiting to be explored. Now, let's learn more about the city's geography, culture, and people. Nestled in the northwestern part of Switzerland, at the foot of the Jura Mountains, lies the picturesque canton of Solothurn. Its lands, largely a flat plain carved by the serene Ari River, are a tapestry of fertile valleys and rolling hills. The canton's capital, also named Solothurn, sits gracefully on the river's banks. A town that beautifully marries natural splendor with architectural grandeur. For centuries, until 1797, it served as the distinguished residence of the French ambassadors to the Swiss Diet, becoming a vibrant hub of cultural life and diplomacy. Today, the canton of Solothurn is home to over 250,000 people, with the majority being German-speaking and of the Roman Catholic faith. The town itself, with a population of around 16,000, is a diverse and welcoming community. The economy is a powerhouse of Swiss precision and industry, renowned for manufacturing, precision engineering, and metalworking. It is home to globally recognized companies, including the legendary watchmaker Omega. The cultural heritage of Solothurn is its most captivating treasure. A walk through the old town is a journey back in time, with its well-preserved fortifications, a 13th century clock tower that still keeps time, and a majestic 15th century town hall. The skyline is dominated by the magnificent 18th century Cathedral of St. Ursus and St. Victor, an architectural masterpiece. From its rich history and dynamic economy to its stunning landscapes and vibrant culture, Solothurn stands as a unique and cherished gem within Switzerland. We hope that you enjoyed this journey through a European gem. If you did, please subscribe to Mind Travels for more explorations around our fascinating world.